Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm in Ikea looking for my son a dresser. Well, not a dresser, but a bookshelf so he can put his stuff in. Cause he ran out of space for storage, so we have to get something so he can put against this wall. Thinking about getting something like this, guys. This might be a no. Tony, that's not good. But we can probably get something like this though, like this part, and hang it up on the wall. Think that'll be good?
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna look around and see if I can see anything, because they got like a lot of stuff in here that I like. Not looking for anything too big and definitely not too small, but there's nothing over here that I don't like. This is this song for like Malil. She probably like something like this. So guys, what you think about this? This is cool. I love the light, the LED lights at the bottom. That'll be cool. But too small for my living room. I don't like this small furniture. This stuff is made for like midgets. That's pretty cool. I could mount this on the wall. Oh, I think it's like $9.99. So let's get. How many do you think we should get?
Probably just 3.
3?
Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm gonna get 3 of these. One more. That should be good. And I can mount this on their wall, and they could put, I don't know, maybe their pictures or their animation characters. Okay. Can't get this. Grayson, he'll fall out this thing. Baby, I want to see you sit in it. It's cool, but don't fall because so many people. You gotta spin around in it.
I'm gonna get dizzy. You're so silly.
This would be nice, like by the front door as soon as you walk in. Yeah, we can get like some vase or something put on it. Price is not bad. So what you think? Think we should get it? Yeah, nay. We'll wait.
I don't mind getting it, but I want to see if I can find something in a different color.
I think we should wait for it. So, yeah, guys, we're gonna wait for that because I don't know if it's gonna look good or not. This one right here looks pretty nice. This would be good for the games and stuff. They can put the game on top of it. Yeah, I like this one, guys. I like the white one even better though. Yeah. We gotta get somebody over here to get this down. What you think about this? This would be good, like in our front area by the back door.
Yeah, I like that. We just have to put a light in it.
Yeah. One of them lights that change colors, like the LED light. Yeah, I think that'll be cool. And we probably have to get 3 of them because they got 3. Yeah, I think we're gonna need 3 of them. Okay, guys, I don't think I can find what I was looking for, man. They don't really have much in here. They do, but I don't really like none of their stuff. I don't know what this furniture was made for, but wait, hold up, guys. I think I found it. This is what I'm looking for. Something like this. What you think about this, Tanya? And this one got a little door to it.
That's okay, but I think that extra thing one.
Yeah, it's a no-go.
This one right here is better.
Okay, guys.
That one right there is better.
Voila. This is what I'm looking for. I can put in my son's room, and he can put his books, toys, or whatever you want. Yeah, I think this right here will work just right for him. We need to take a picture of that, right? You bring your phone because I think I left mine in the car. You got your phone with me?
Yeah. I will get you.
All right. Yeah, guys, this is the one I'm gonna get. It's not bad. $29. Well, actually 30 plus tax. And the color too. Yep. Think he gonna like this. Or we can get something like this, Tanya. What you guys think? The white shelf over there? Or should I get this and mount it on the wall for him?
It's nice too, but I think that's...
I think you can put them in any order, yeah.
Yeah, you can put them in any order you want. A combination.
Yeah. It's not bad for $270. Yeah, I think we're gonna stick with the other bookshelf, guys. And that's pretty much all I came in here to get. But we still gonna shop around and see if I can see anything else. Like I said earlier, that furniture is cool, but I don't know. I don't really know about it. So we're gonna roll with this shelf for right now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show y'all my bedroom. Well, not my bedroom, but my sitting area. Just come in here and you can sit back, you chill, and you put your feet up on there. No, it's a bullshit. You don't do that. But yeah, guys, it's real cozy up in here. It's cool, cool, dude. Look at this light. Look, crystal ball. Oh, sure is, same one. Everything just sit low in here, man. This shit is for a ninja. Okay, guys, see what they have in here. That's a whole nother restroom. Tanya, check this out. Push the basket to the side. What you think about this? First, let me feel the texture. Feel that texture, not bad neither. We got a whole restroom in here, guys. Got a bedroom right here. It's kind of cozy in here. I like it. Come here to take a break. Maybe find your seat. Guys, it's cozy, man. I don't want to leave.
These some things that I want to put in on the, like, if you're going to extend it back to work.
Oh, yeah?
These,
Yeah, they had these in Lowe's. They got them in Lowe's.
Yeah, these some things I want to put down.
Here's the master bedroom, guys. Bed kind of soft, hard and soft at the same time. I think he'll like this. You can raise this thing up and you put your Legos and your pencils, crayons. Yeah, I think this is cool. Damn, why is this chair so much? This little ass chair is $17.99. The table is $49.99. It's cool, but I don't know about the little chair.
See those clear bookshelf things right there?
Yeah, I think this is better. You think so? Get the clear one. So I think this would be cool for the kids. They can put soda in here, lemonade, it's $1.99. So what you think? Should I get one of these?
Yeah, you
Think this would be cool?
Get them a different color though.
Yeah, this is pink.
It's different colors down here. The green and the blue.
I like the green. Let's see if I can get this. Okay, here we go. Yeah, this right here works fine. So you like those tubs? It's old school too. We saw this one, it was like coming up. But yeah, that's some old school. They didn't bring the old school back into the new school. So that's what you was talking about?
Yeah, they smell real good.
Let me see. Gosh, this will smell really, really good. Smell it. Smell good, huh? Yeah. This the one you gonna get?
Yeah.
Gosh, things smell so good. It's a must that I get it.
I'm supposed to be able to light it and put it in here if you wanted to, but I don't think I'm gonna get that.
That thing look like a bird cage.
Yeah,
You put your bird in there. That's another one?
Smell that one. You like that one?
Yeah, it smells good. You gonna get this one too? Stick to baby. What it smell like?
I don't like that one. It don't smell like nothing.
It do, but it smells like coconut. Let's hope it's not heavy. It smells like it's kind of heavy. Not really. Let me see if I can pick this bad boy up. Finally made it back home, guys. Yes, finally. Now, guys, I'm about to put this bookshelf together. If you haven't, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. LWG, I'm out. Peace.